Clocks. Clocks. A clock is a device used to keep track of time. Ancient civilizations measured time by falling sand, flowing water, or the position of the sun. Modern clocks are either digital or have clockwork mechanisms. How does a clock work? Clocks make regular movements for measuring time. They do this using machinery known as clockwork. The clock face has moving hands that show the hours, minutes, and seconds. The first pendulum clock was made by Dutch scientist Christian Huygens in 1656. Gears. Gears are wheels that lock together. In a clock, they make the hands turn at different speeds. Pendulum. Each swing of the pendulum turns the gears one click, usually once a second. Counterweight. This weight stores energy so the clock can work without a battery. Clock face. This part of the clock shows the time in hours, minutes, and seconds. Minute hand. The long minute hand makes a full turn around the clock every hour. Hour hand. The short hour hand makes a complete turn around the clock every 12 hours. Second hand. This long, thin hand makes a complete rotation of the clock every minute. Then and now. In the past, people had sundials, which show the time of day using shadows cast by the sun. Modern digital clocks show time as numbers. Look forward to the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the Encyclopedia channel. Bye-bye.